How to use Binance Trading Bot. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply log into your Binance account and navigate to the trade menu and go to the trading bots. Read the terms carefully and if you agree, check the box and confirm to continue. Next, you should see the trading bots landing page. If you click trade now, you will be redirected to the trading page. At the top, you can find the different types of trading bots available. So this is Spot Grid. The Spot Grid bot is designed to buy low and sell high with predefined price range. It divides your investment into multiple smaller orders, placing buy orders at lower prices and sell orders at higher prices. This method allows traders to profit from market fluctuations without needing to predict exact price movements. Then we have Futures Grid. The Futures Grid bot is suitable for more experienced traders who are comfortable with high risk and have a solid understanding of futures trading. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.